Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Airzo. I am by our AT6 Tex, and as you can see, we've taken one of the side panels off for our upcoming Panels Off month here at the Airzo all September. You can also see that I have labeled 20 interesting things that you can now see with this panel removed. And well, I'm not going to talk about all 20 of them, but I will talk about one, and it's a pretty simple one. It's number 2. Here it is, and this is for the landing gear indicator. So if we peer into the cockpit, you can see the landing gear indicators here, and these are mechanical. You can also see that they're in the down position because, of course, our wheels are down. Now, they work quite simply. It's linked to this cable here, which runs down, 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 and down into through the aircraft floor. Then that cable then runs across through the wheel well directly onto the landing gear strut. That means when the landing gear is extended, that cable is tensioned and it brings the arms down, which in turn bring the landing gear indicator down. When the gear is retracted, the cable loses its tension, the springs kicking and bring up the arms, and the indicator goes up. It's a really simple thing, but I really love to be able to see it now that this panel is off, and this panel will remain off along with a whole bunch of other aircraft here at the Airzo all September, so definitely come and check it out.